Hi everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I am doing the food pantry series for beginners. An important part of having a food pantry is using it. In this video, I make chicken breakfast patties using leftover canned chicken that was raised, butchered, and canned right here on the homestead. Watch my Raising Meat Chicken series for all the information you need on raising your own meat birds from start to finish. The first thing to do is shred the leftover chicken, which will make it easy to mix and later form into patties. With that done, I add a little homemade kale seasoning. To make this kale seasoning, I used kale from the garden, added a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic, and then I dehydrated it and later ground it. But you can simply use parsley or dill or rosemary or whatever herb you like. And I actually also added a little parsley. Then add some salt and pepper to taste. Mayo was added for moisture as well as additional flavoring. I added some lemon peel that I zested and dehydrated in the oven. I recommend you zest and dehydrate lemons you buy from the store to make lemonade or other dishes. Just make sure you wash the peel thoroughly. 1 egg was added to bind or hold everything together. Then mix thoroughly. I then added some sharp cheddar cheese pieces. I could have done a better job at breaking them up a little more, but everything turned out just fine. And now I mix the cheese in. I then add a little bit of flour and mix that in well. Now it is time to form the patties. I have a pan of breadcrumbs I made using stale rosemary bread I allowed to sit out to dry, then ground into crumbs. The breadcrumbs will be used to coat the chicken patties. Continue these steps until all the patties are formed. While preparing the patties, I have a lightly greased cast iron pan heating on the stove. With the patties formed and the pan nice and hot, it is time to place the patties in the pan and they will be cooked until brown. This is a quick and easy way to put leftover chicken to good use. To prep and cook these chicken patties took less than 20 minutes. This side is ready, so I flip the patties and cook them until they are browned on the other side. Now I am preparing these patties for a breakfast meal, but they can be served as a lunch, snack, or dinner. The patties are now done and ready to come off the stove. I will put these aside and prepare some eggs and vegetables to go with them. Here I simply whip up some fresh Homestead eggs, add a little salt, pepper, and other spices. Whip that up some more. I already have some sugar snaps from the garden sauteing in the pan. I am just adding a little salt and pepper to taste. These pods are so good that we sometimes eat them straight off the vine. Olive oil was used to saute the sugar snaps and to coat the pan for the eggs. We try to have a side of vegetables with all of our meals. I moved the sugar snaps off the heat as to not overcook them. Now it is time to finish cooking these eggs. With the eggs done, this is how everything looked. The following day, we had the chicken patties on homemade buttermilk biscuits, and it tastes even better. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.